Hello everybody. This video is for the drawing that I am doing for my money management tool. If you're not familiar with that, you can go over to my website at futuresniperbeast.com. Under trading tools, you hit the tick management tool there. You can read all about it. It is the ultimate tool to help you with your money management discipline with your trading. So go and check that out. And I'm doing the drawing, the giveaway, because of my group here on Facebook, the Apex Trader Funding group right here, the non-official group, unofficial. We crossed 5,000 members, so you can see there. And I said I would do a drawing for this. I'd give away 10. So we have some signups. So we're going to go ahead and get that drawing going and see who's the winners. All right, I've got all the names entered in here into this name picker. Got 10 winners, no duplicates. So we're going to go ahead and hit the pick random names button. And here's going to be our winners. Got Jason, Joseph, Nathan, Darren, Jacob, Jim, Chris, Mark, Easy, and Todd. So congratulations. That will get you as many licenses as you need. You can have it up to 3 licenses. And what we'll do here is be on the lookout for this by this evening for an email. You'll get you'll have instructions in the email, but you'll get a coupon code, and then you'll just go on over here to the tool, and you'll just sign up, pick which one you want, however many licenses. And if you want to try this out too, there's a free trial, 7-day trial. You could try this out. Make sure you read all the frequently asked questions here. Take a look at all those. So you'll just sign up, put your coupon code in there, and you'll be good to go. You'll get an email with all the instructions on how to get it all set up. So once again, there's our 10 winners, and congratulations. And thank you for everybody for being a part of the group of the 5,000 members here. We're still growing. As you can see, we're already a couple hundred over the 5,000. So I will work on getting more exclusive stuff for us. And I appreciate everybody. Take care, trade well, and have a good one.